How to block on Viber. If you wish to block an account on Viber, just tap on the chat for that person. Now tap on the three dots menu from the top. Tap on Chat Info. On the bottom of the chat info, you have an option to block this contact. If you tap on this option, the contact will be blocked and you will not be able to talk with them. Also, if you tap by mistake, just tap unblock. Let's get back to the chat history. Tap on the chat we just blocked. You will notice for every contact that you blocked, you will see a notification on the top. Now, I have sent a message and I did not get anything. Let's unblock the person to see if we received the messages. Yes, it works. Now you get the messages. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.